Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter U. And at the end we will see which sticker we're going to get. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi parents! I have made 100 pages alphabet workbook for you to print or download it to your tablet. Here's a few examples. You can find the link in description below. Thank you, and I hope you like them. Letter U. What sound does the U make? It makes the sound. Shall we write the letter U? We're going to start from the top, all the way down to the bottom. Give it a curl, go up, then down to the bottom line. Letter U. Shall we write the sound? Again, we're going to start from the top, all the way down, then round, go up, then down, and give it a flick. Sound. Can you see the letter U? Let's name the letters. G, R, U. Can you point to letter U? Well done, super job. Three more letters. Let's find the letter U. D, U, L. Can you point to letter U? Well done, great work, fantastic. Now we have three sounds. Can you see the sound? Let's say the sounds. N, B. Can you point to the sound? Well done, great work. Three more sounds. Let's find the sound. T, S, Can you point to the sound? Well done, great work, super job. Lots of letters here. We're going to spot the letter U and then colour it. Are you ready? Let's go. Well done. We found the first U letter. Let's look for the next one. Fantastic. Another U. Great work. Well done. Fantastic job, well done. Are there any more? Yes, well done. Super work, well done. Yes, we got another one here, well done. Fantastic job, we found all the letter U. Now we have lots of sounds here. We're going to find the sound and then color it. Let's have a look for the first one. Well done. Fantastic work, well done. We found two sounds. Well done. Another sound. Fantastic, well done. Are there any more? Yep, well done. Great work. Yes, we found the last one over here. Fantastic job. We found all the sounds. Well done. Which picture starts with the U letter? Let's name the pictures. Unicorn. Goat. Bat. It's not the bat. It's not the goat. Well done. It's the unicorn. Which picture starts with the sound? Let's name the pictures. Table. Up. Cup. It's not the cup or the table. Well done. It's the up. Three more pictures. Let's find the picture that starts with the sound. Let's name the pictures. Coat. Umbrella. Boot. It's not the coat or the boots. Well done. It's the umbrella. Let's read some words that start with a sound. Up. Up. Let's read a word that starts with a U letter. U, N, I, F. O m u n e f om. Uniform. Let's read another word that starts with the U letter. U, N, E, K, O, N. Unicorn. Unicorn. Well done. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Well done. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Surprise, surprise! You have got a unicorn sticker. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work, everyone. Now, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.